Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive, which makes it an excellent exfoliator for your skin. Baking soda can help remove oils when used in a facial wash and can be a beneficial part of your overall skincare routine.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chemical reactions. Lemon juice contains citric acid which when mixed with the base, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, reacts to form carbon dioxide and sodium citrate which causes the liquid to fizz and bubble.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Lemons and other citrus fruits are rich sources of naturally occurring citric acid. When a person mixes lemon juice and baking soda, the citric acid reacts with the sodium bicarbonate to produce a buffer called sodium citrate.
Let's help you make your mark.
Baking soda may also have a positive effect on vaginal pH. A 2014 study found that baking soda killed candida cells that lead to yeast infections. Baking soda has also been found to have general antifungal effects.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.